Looking for a unique way to spend your holidays? Why not step into the world of your favorite authors by visiting some of the UK's most famous literary homes? From the rolling hills of Hampshire to the dramatic coastline of Yorkshire, these destinations offer a chance to walk in the footsteps of literary legends and see the places that inspired some of the world's best-loved stories. Start your journey at Jane Austen's house in Chawton, Hampshire. This charming cottage is where Austen wrote classics like Pride and Prejudice and Emma. Inside, you'll find her writing table, personal letters, and even first editions of her novels. It's a must-see for any Austen fan, and general admission is £15 for adults. Next, head to Stratford-upon-Avon to visit Shakespeare's Birthplace. Tour the beautifully preserved Tudor house where the world's most famous playwright was born and raised. For £20, you can explore the rooms where Shakespeare's story began, and even add on visits to other family homes for a deeper dive into his life. If you're drawn to Gothic tales, Whitby in Yorkshire is a must. The seaside town inspired Bram Stoker's Dracula, and you can explore the haunting ruins of Whitby Abbey, visit the Dracula statue on the West Pier, or join a walking tour through key locations from the novel. In the Lake District, Dove Cottage was once home to poet William Wordsworth. Wander through candlelit rooms, see original manuscripts, and visit the writing room where Wordsworth penned some of his most famous poems. Tickets are around £15, and National Trust members can visit for free. Other highlights include Thomas Hardy's thatched cottage in Dorset, Beatrix Potter's hilltop farmhouse in Cumbria, Charles Dickens's Georgian home in London, and Rudyard Kipling's Batemans in East Sussex. Many of these sites offer free or discounted entry for members, making them a cost-effective day out for families. So whether you're a lifelong book lover or just looking for something different to do this summer, these literary homes offer a fun, educational, and affordable way to explore the UK and make lasting memories.
Quote Zone. Find a better deal